In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to restore Dropbox files. So in whatever Dropbox folder you're in, go ahead and look for the three dot icon at the top. We can click on that and we want to show deleted files. This is great if you ever happen to delete files from your computer or accidentally delete files. And what you'll be able to see is the blue folders have files in them and they're currently in the folder. The grayed out folders are all episodes, that have been deleted for whatever reason. Now, some of them might be, want to keep them deleted. Other ones we might want to restore. Now, you can then check any one of these folders and then go ahead and click on restore. It will show you the content that is within that folder, and then you can click restore all files. Now, Dropbox will take the time to restore that folder, and you'll get a notification on the top when that folder is completely restored. Now, the other thing that's great is we can go into any one of these folders, subfolders now. For example, we can click on number 53 after dark, and we see that we also can preview, the deleted files within that folder. So if you accidentally delete any file within a folder, again, you can just click on it and then you can click restore. All right, so let's do that for this file. Click on it, click restore, and same process. So hopefully that helps you. You can now see all of your deleted files in your folders and subfolders. Feel free to restore whatever you'd like. If you have any questions, let us know.